Okay, here we go. So here we need to integrate the following expression using something known as integration by substitution. So how does it work? Well, I've detailed a few points here, which I think is quite useful to understand. The whole point of substitution is that we need to let a variable here equal u. And the key idea is to differentiate that to get an expression of du over dx. And then rearranging to replace dx here with that expression. So how do we do it? Well, if you're going to choose a value to substitute, make sure you choose a value where when you let u equal that value and you differentiate it, you're going to get a term which looks like it, i.e. 2. For example, let's let u equal 2x plus 3. Okay, we'll see what happens. Now we differentiate this, so say du over dx. Differentiating this easy expression, you should just get a 2. Now all we have to do is realize that this 2 is also here. Now what can we do with it? Well, we can now make du or dx subject. So let's make dx subject. So I'm going to times by dx and then divide by du. So we can say du equals 2 times dx. And then just divide by 2, we're going to have, therefore, dx equals du over 2. And that's it, guys. Now all we have to do literally is substitute every single thing back in and then see what happens. So this whole integral, what happens to it now? So now we got 2, we can take 2 outside actually. Let's put 2 outside. So now we've got sine, and this whole expression is u, so we've got sine u. And then what happens to dx? Well, dx now becomes du over 2. Sine u times du over 2. And that's it. This 2 can also go outside. So now we're going to have 2 over 2 outside. So actually these 2 cancel out. So we have the integral of sine u du. Voila, easy guys. Pretty much we're done now. And integrating sine is quite easy. The integral of sine is just a negative cos u. So it's going to be minus cos u. And don't forget the plus c. And finally, to wrap this up, all we need to do now is replace u with the original term. So hence, we can say our solution is minus cos bracket 2 plus x, 2x plus 3 plus c. And that's it, guys. That's how you integrate using substitution.